Good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the 7th edition of the MICE Travel Mart, or the MTM. A significant addition at MTM 2013 is the Luxury and Leisure Travel Mart, or LLTM, and this inclusion signifies the growing importance of this segment to the market. MICE travelers are breaking new ground. Today, it is no longer out of context to find a meeting taking place on board a luxury cruise liner or on a private island. Private jets and yachts are being extensively hired for incentive travel, not to forget luxury trains and other modes of transportation. India itself is a big draw for luxury and leisure travelers, and the segment is expected to grow by 25% annually in the country. The demand for luxury and leisure travel is not only for the metro cities, but even travelers from smaller cities. They express their need to experience luxury travel. The MICE Travel Mart is now a much-awaited event for corporates as well as travel service providers, be they national tourism organizations, airlines, hotels, travel agents, destination management companies, as well as MICE purchasers from the corporate world. In fact, we are making every endeavor to ensure that this platform also becomes a corporate networking platform where new alliances are forged, where new friendships are made. The networking brings colleagues together who haven't met each other for a long time. And so it would be also from the corporate perspective of not only doing travel purchase, but also meeting up with colleagues and friends who are in the same area. I take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Girish Shankar, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, and the Managing Director, ITDC. We also have our guest of honor, Mr. Kamlesh Patel, Chairman, Tourism Corporation of Gujarat, who will be joining us a little later, as well as our VIP guests, Mr. V.P. Agarwal, Chairman, Airports Authority of India, and Mr. Vinod Ajmera, Managing Director, RTDC, who will also be joining us later. It's my great pleasure to welcome Mr. Ashwani Kakkar, Executive Vice Chairman, Mercury Travels, who is our keynote speaker for the morning session. Ashwani has wide experience across various industries, but travel business is his primary passion. A distinguished personality in the travel world, Ashwani has been recognized by the French government, by the Indian government, and almost all the big forums, be they commerce or industry or trade, countrywide as well as internationally. We are very grateful, Ashwani, that you've taken time out today as well. From the corporate world, we have the privilege of having with us for the corporate forum, Mr. Amit Malhotra, Managing Director, McCoy Sudal, Sealants, Adhesive and Foams Private Limited, Mr. Jai Tondak, Vice President, Administration, Accretive Health India, Mr. Sanjoy Ray, Head, Real Estate and Projects, Aircel, Mr. Subhash Sidwani, Ranbaxy Laboratories. We recognize the support and help provided by all the trade associations, TAI, TAFI, SFTO, IATO, OTOAI, ADTOI, and ITA. I would like to welcome Ms. Jyoti Mayal, Chairperson, Northern Region, TAI, Vijay Gupta, Chairman, TAFI, Northern Region, Mr. Subhash Verma, President, ADTOI, Mr. Pankaj Nagpal, Chairman, ITA, and Mr. Subhash Goyal, President, IATO. I would now request Mr. Girish Shankar and Mr. Ashwani Kakkar to join us, Mr. Keval Gill, the Chairman of Optimize Events, to please come for the lighting of the lamp.